And we're gonna start the test. Whatever you do, do not try this at home. We're gonna take 58 candles and try and heat up a bathroom. This right here is the bathroom we're gonna try and heat up. I turned off the heat. It does show 20 because this is the room temperature right now. However, thermostat is set to 5. Starting temperature is 19.5 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna start this stopwatch and we're gonna see how the temperature rises over time. So right here we have 58 candles. This is our little ghetto setup. I will turn off the lights in the bathroom. What I'm gonna do is turn on the LED on my cell phone just to make sure we don't create any additional heat other than the candles in this little bathroom. This is gonna be the long part. I'm gonna light all the candles and then we'll start the test. I'm going to turn off the light and we'll let our system take care of itself. So, if you have 58 candles laying around, you know what to do to heat up a space. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end, I do appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.